Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raju More Education. Today we are going to discuss a second standard English topic, Who am I? In this topic, some riddles are given and we have to find the answer of these riddles. We see first riddle. I have two hands but I can't clap. Who am I? मुझे दो हाथ है लेकिन मैं तालियां नहीं बजा सकता. बताओ मैं कौन हूँ? Clap यानी तालियां बजाना. So children try to find out who is that who have two hands but he cannot clap. You can see in the picture there is a watch on the wall and it has two fork. It has two hands but it cannot clap. So the answer of first riddle is watch. Now we see second riddle. I fly without wings and I have a long tail. Who am I? मुझे पंख नहीं है फिर भी मैं आकाश में उड़ सकता हूँ और मुझे लंबी पूँछ है, लॉन्ग टेल. तो पहचानो कौन हूँ मैं? So children, give stress on your mind and try to find out who is that who can fly without wings and it has a long tail. Some children understand the answer, but those cannot understand, I tell them. You can see in the picture, there is a kite which fly in the sky without wings and it has a long tail. So the answer of second riddle is kite. Now we see third riddle. I have bushy tail and like to eat nuts. Who am I? मेरी पूँछ झाड़ी जैसी है और मुझे बादाम खाने अच्छे लगते हैं. कौन हूँ मैं? So children, try to find out who is that who has a bushy tail and like to eat nuts. So children, the answer of this riddle is squirrel. You can see in the picture, the squirrel is the answer. Now we see fourth riddle. I can easily eat leaves from the tall trees. I don't have to climb. I have a long trunk. Who am I? मैं बड़े बड़े पेड़ों से उनके ऊपर चढ़े बिना ही. So children, give stress on your mind and try to find out who is that who can easily eat leaves from tall trees without climbing on it and it has a long trunk. Some children understand the answer. So those two children unable to understand the answer, I tell them the answer. So children, it is an elephant. We all know elephant can easily eat leaves from tall trees without climbing on it with the help of its trunk. So the answer of fourth riddle is elephant. Now we see fifth riddle. I have two horns and four legs. I work on the farm. Who am I? मुझे दो सींग होते हैं और चार पैर होते हैं और मैं खेती में काम करता हूँ. मैं कौन हूँ? So children, give stress on your mind and try to find out the answer who has two horns and four legs and it works on the farm. Yes, some children understand the answer. Those students are unable to find out answer, I will tell them the answer. So children, answer is ox. We all know ox has two horns and four legs and it works on the farm. In this way, we completed this topic. Okay children, we meet in the next video with different subject. Goodbye, namaste, take care.